How to save a PowerPoint presentation as a video. Hello everybody, and let's get started. If you want to save any presentation or the PowerPoint as a video instead of PDF and any other file format, this is a perfect tutorial. So to get started with, open your PowerPoint presentation. For this, you can launch the Microsoft PowerPoint and open presentation you want to save as a video. Then after, go to the files and then you will see the option of export on the left panel. Here you have the second option as create a video. This way you can export your presentation as a video that you can share with others. It includes all the recording settings, narrations, ink strokers and pointing gestures as well. In the export options, you can choose the quality of the video by selecting the appropriate option from the quality drop-down menu. From here, you can choose the setting of the slide transitions and animations by choosing the desired second from the seconds spent on each slide drop-down menu. Choose narration and ink settings if the presentation includes any specific narrations. Then after, you can select the presentation size, and then in such way you can tap on create video and you are good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.